Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. I'm here again today and I'm going to do a waterfall floral, the one that looks like flowers. And I'm going to be using the Arteza pre-mixed pouring paints. This is a box of 32 and I got these on Amazon and they are all ready to go for you. They come in little bottles. They are small bottles. And the colors I'm going to be using today is neon pink, probably a little of the white. This is cerise pink, silver. This is neon purple. And then I have carnation pink and lavender. So we're going to use those colors today to do the puddle blowout. All right, I used my regular white. This is just Artist Loft with floetrol and water. And I already put that down on my canvas. This actually is a 10 by 20 canvas and it is a, I'm reusing it. So there's painting underneath that I did not like. So I'm going over it. Sometimes when you do that, depending on how thick the paint was on the bottom, you can get cracking. You can get it kind of cracking and it comes up out of your white. But I think this was a pretty thin painting to begin with, thin coat. So, all right, let's get started. So I'm just going to shake these up and they just pour right out of the tube. So how are we going to do this? One here, one here, one here, and one down here. Okay, that was the neon purple. Then I'm going to go in with the cerise pink. These are really easy. They're a little expensive because they're only little bottles. So you can't really get much out of them. Carnation pink. But if you have a little extra money and you just want to go ahead and pour. All right, and then I'm just going to open this one. This is just, I don't need this one anyway. So let's go with the silver. I really like Arteza paints. I think they go on really nice. Oh, did I not open this one either? I guess open. Okay, and this is the lavender. And then the neon pink will be last. All right. I'm going to put a little bit more of the plum on top. Just a drop. All right, and then we're going to blow it out. Make sure your hair's back. There's one. I'm just going to speed up the rest of these. So you have to sit here and watch me blow all 4 of them, okay? Okay. All right, we're back. I'm done blowing it out. And I must say it looks pretty good. It's very airy and light. Because I didn't go with as many dark colors as I usually do. But I kind of like it. It's a little different. So now what I want to do is, because I just want to soften it and I want it to soften the edges a little bit. So you take a straw and just blow it out Where do you think needs softening? Okay. All right. Well, I'm pretty much done with this. I think it looks really good. So bravo to Arteza. I think those paints are great. Really simple, really easy. Takes the guesswork out for you guys and, you know, for anybody dealing with mixing their paints. And I've done these before and they dry really nice and they keep their color. They're really nice. They're really nice paints. So if you have any questions, comment below and I get back to you as soon as I can. I really enjoy doing the videos and sharing different techniques and, you know, ideas that we all have. I watch YouTube videos too, and I follow all kinds of fluid artists, and I thank them for sharing with me, and so now I want to share with everybody. So have a great day, stay well, and I'll be back again soon with another video. This was a quick one, but thanks a lot, and please like and subscribe. It'll help me out and help me grow my channel so I can bring you more videos. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye. All right, so here's the finished painting. I mean, it's still wet, obviously, but pretty, really pretty. And these are the Arteza paints again. Really happy with this one. All right, and there you go.